Hello everyone. Good morning to all. Welcome to this new day of class. Today I'll be teaching you Unit 1, the main heading Demand and Consumer Behavior. It has various subheadings. Today, when we talk about this particular topic called consumer behavior and its demand. My dear student, there are different forms of demand, there are different kinds of demand. Elasticity of demand, cross elasticity of demand, etc. Consumer behavior. I want to stretch a point here by taking a particular economics Paul Samuelson. Paul Samuelson talks about rebel preference theory. In the decade called 1950s, he talked about rebel preference theory. From his point of view, he gave a clear picture. It has various assumptions. It has diagram too, my dear students. You'll be looking the diagrams, answers of different plotted in the screen. Hope you have a good learning. All the best. As we go forward learning consumer behavior, in order to learn consumer behavior, first thing we need to learn is IC, that is indifference curve. Indifference curve is nothing but it shows the point of equilibrium or point of locus in different places or at different equilibrium point where IC curve intersect with a budget line having the goods x-axis y-axis combination of goods. You will be looking in the diagrams. As we move forward, this rebel preference theory gives a very clear picture. We'll be also looking at strong axiom of RP and weak axiom of RP. I want to give emphasis on strong axiom of RP, SARP, where being a consumer, you are liable to choose one particular combination even if you are given different choices, because there is a price tag put. On the other hand, you have weak axiom. In the weak axiom, there are different combinations at your disposal. You are confused which one to choose, because price also becomes a factor here. So my dear students, as we are moving forward to learn this theory, hope you have a good learning. We will be also learning about substitution effects, income effects, and different perspective of consumers acting being a rational being. How do we behave when we go to the market? How is our thinking pattern? I just like to ask to you, and you'll be getting the answer. Being as we go to the market, we always behave as a rational being. We always look for a price. Here also we'll be learning from perfect and imperfect point of view. In a perfect market, you all know everything is controlled by the government, where price no individual can simply increase, rather he has to follow the rules. Here in perfect competition market, the products are homogeneous, but rather in imperfect competition it is vice versa, where there is no interference, where an individual certain producers increase the price. That is how we learn a basic knowledge of this particular unit. This unit consists of a lot of things. If we have a good study of a particular book called H.L. Ahuja, which I'll be showing to you in the screen, and if you go through the material, you will be learning a good learning. Hope you have a good learning. Have a nice day.